is going on, everybody? Long time no see. We're back in the 435i. Today I'm going to be making a video on the new tires I got for this car. Alright, so we're back in our usual film spot. It's been a little bit since I've made a video, you guys, and I'll give you an explanation as to why. I'm actually a college student right now, so I've been working hard. I'm trying to complete all my classes and just get done with it. It's almost summertime, so you know, we're almost there. But yeah, I finally have time to make a video on this car. It's been definitely a little while, almost a month, I think. So it's good to be back. So like I said before, I got new tires for this car. The last one's actually, I literally ran them to the ground. They're showing cords all around. It was time for an upgrade, and here we go. So this is what we got. We got some Nitto Motivos. Kind of my philosophy behind tires is like, I want the best tire I can get for the money. And these kind of happen to be online. I saw them, read some reviews, and apparently they're good. I hadn't felt this car grip that hard in a long time, and it kind of just, it threw me off a little bit. These are all season tires, you guys. Originally I was trying to get some summer tires. They weren't in stock. I had to get tires. I was actually out of town, so I couldn't wait. So I had to get these, and these are great. Like, I'm super glad I went with these. The tread wear is like 560, I believe. It's crazy. Like, these tires are extremely durable. They're also super grippy. Like, it's ridiculous. And the tread pattern, look at this, guys. This looks pretty good. Like, this is a great looking tread pattern. Look at this. I think this is also really cool. So a lot of you may already know what this means, and a lot of you may not. This means mud and snow. So these tires could go in mud and snow, and perform on mud and snow, which I think is pretty cool. We're gonna take this on some back roads and kind of just monitor performance on these. Like I said before, these are all seasons. So you're not getting maximum grip that you'd like, but you're still getting a decent amount of grip. And I'm not going too slow either. This is a pretty sharp turn right here. Like, it's pretty insane what these tires can really do. So I'm interested to see what these can do after, let's say, 20,000 miles, 25, 30,000 miles. That should be like top, you know, you're almost done with them at 30,000 miles. My last tires lasted me 30K, and that was it. So I'm running a pretty heavy camber setup. It's -3 degrees up front, -2 in the rear. So yeah, it's nothing minimal. I mean, it's good. It's really good. I'm curious to see, like, what's the max potential of these tires? Like, what's the like, how hot can they get before they start to lose grip? I'd like to know that. So I'm definitely interested to do a few tests with these to kind of see where they're at in terms of heat and some other things. So yeah, stay tuned for that. I might actually make some more videos on that. I feel like we need some more tire content on this channel. I feel like it could help a lot of you guys out. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. It's really helping me out a lot. We're almost to 1,000 subscribers. So close, so close. I know we're gonna close in on that goal. So let's keep it going, you guys. Thank you, and we'll see you in the next one.